Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and an amazing day today. Now in today's episode, we're going to be talking about Nikola Motors. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and overall, I hope you guys learned something. Also, if you guys want to sign up with Moo, you guys can get a free stock by literally just signing up. That will be the first link down below. So now roll the intro. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and ask them as well. Roll the intro, let's go. Bam! So a lot of people have been asking me to do a review of this stock, and I felt like I should just because the stock has become very popular. In a single day, the stock went up around 104%, which is absolutely crazy, making the company worth around $30 billion, which is nuts. That's double the size of Lyft. That's more than Twitter, Snapchat, and Chipotle, which all those large corporations sell product and revenue. They have revenue coming in. Nikola Motors has no revenue. They have high hopes of revenue, yeah, and they are now accepting reservations to make their product, their trucks, yeah, but they have $0 in revenue and a $30 billion valuation, which is absolutely crazy. A lot of people are investing in this stock in hopes of them being the next Tesla, but you have to look at Tesla's chart. Tesla's chart is up and down for a very long time. You know, and now just recently this stock has become extremely valuable, you know, making it over $900. So do I think getting in right now is a perfect opportunity to make money? No, I do think that this big old run right now is just a big old hype run. A lot of people have been just buying this product in hopes, but they don't understand the backbone of they don't sell anything, it's only reservations to sell stuff. So now let's actually go look at the chart. Let's see if it's a fair buy. Let's see if what you should do if you hold it. Should you try to short it? What should you do about this stock? Alrighty guys, so we have ticker symbol NKLA, also known as Nikola Motors or Nikola Corporations here. So let's look at the chart, volume, and then the RSI. So looking at the chart here, you guys can see that there is some old resistance here at about $38, 38 to about 34. There's some nice resistance. And the thing about that is old resistance comes into new support. So keep that in mind when we look at future predictions of it. So this stock really went up around 140% within a couple of days. Went from about $30 to about almost $100, and then down here went from about 15 to about 35. So these gains on this overall stock is absolutely crazy. The reason why I think that this stock is going up so much is because of FOMO, also known as fear of missing out. So a lot of, you know, traders, investors want to get into this position because they think they're going to miss out on profits, which I kind of understand, but right now with this whole volatility in the market, I'd rather put my money elsewhere than into a riskier corporation. You know, the reason why I don't like them really a whole lot is because they don't make any money. Right now, this company is not profitable. It's very risky to get into, and look at this. Right now, I don't care what you say, the overall trend of the stock is down. We did have some nice resistance here at around, you know, let's just say $100. That whole $100 is going to act as resistance for a very long time. Right now, we have this upward trend, or this downward trend, excuse me, which I do think it's going to run into this old resistance here, which is going to be new support for the stock. But overall, I do think that this stock is very overvalued. Looking at it at the RSI, the $97 was a 90 on the RSI, which is extremely overvalued, meaning that the stock has a very large downside potential. So do I think getting into this position right now is a good idea? I don't. I do think there's better opportunity somewhere else. This company doesn't pay a dividend. This company isn't profitable. So why would you put your money into one, a company that's not giving you any cash flow, two, is not even profitable? The only reason why this stock went up so high is because you can now, you know, sign up for reservations for their truck. That's pretty much the reason why it went up so much. So do I think this is a fair buy right now? No, I do think that this stock could and probably will definitely fall back down to about $42 to $50. And then even that is, I do think, a fair buy for this stock. You know, I do think this company could be a large contender in the auto industry in the future, but is it worth investing hundreds of thousands of dollars into? Of course not. Is it, you know, should you invest maybe $100 into this? Maybe. Maybe. You know, let's just see where it goes. Right now, I'm not interested in it, but let's go ahead and look at a different chart. So you guys can see this is on the 90-day chart. So you guys can see that the stock does have some nice resistance here. And then within a couple of days, the stock squeezed up 172%, which is absolute crazy. And it's very overvalued. So right now there's just a ton of downside potential and the trend is down. So if anything, I do think there is a short opportunity from about 67 all the way down to about 45. You know, so I do think that's where your mindset should be when looking at this stock, so understand that. So now that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you guys did, make sure you guys smash the like button. We'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Remember to stay happy, stay positive. Also, don't forget you guys can sign up with Moo and get a free stock that will be down below for you guys. Roll the outro. We'll see you tomorrow. Take care.